So me a jail free.
Right. Government body.
Do not say.
Government body.
Guys, you know the people that accuse me of being laborite. My father named Eddie. Me name Eddie. So which party you think we could have support?
And onion fiaga.
Exactly. Which party you think we really could have support? One time I said to my father, I like PJ, you know. PJ is a black man also. Daddy said, you're going to like him, you know, but not under my roof. Hey guys, it's Sunday. I'm just recovering from my sickness, so my friends invited me out to have some dinner. So we're gonna check out what they prepared. But in the meantime, remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment on my videos. Guys, please share my videos. I need some sharing. I'm struggling. All right, guys, let's walk over and see what's going on behind me. The food smells good. What do we have here? We have baked chicken. We have, what's the name in English? Sausage, jerk sausage, macaroni and cheese, festival. For the jerk chicken, I something like my jerk, you know, not dry out, juicy.
Any worse than the Eddie of the one video.
It's on my YouTube channel. Alright, this is, I don't know nothing with, what is that? Vegetables. Barbecued vegetables. But what, this is what, eggplant I think? No.
Courgette or
What is it in English?
eggplant?
What's a courgette?
Come on, eggplant, yellow.
zucchini.
No, eggplant. Zucchini, yeah. Zucchini. Or courgette. I think the British say courgette.
Yeah,
No, the British say zucchini.
No, they say courgette.
No.
My British friend, they say courgette.
No.
But maybe because you're British French. Maybe.
Yeah. And then I know the Americans. Hold on.
Zucchini.
Yeah, maybe you're right.
Zucchini or
We have
courgette.
tomatoes. I don't eat tomatoes, so that's going to be a struggle. Here we have two Jamaicans, guys, in Paris. This is Renique. This is Julie. They're fresh off the plane. What did you bring back?
Patties, rum, curry, seasonings, Lasco.
You hear that, guys?
Nothing.
So,
And water crackers.
what
Oh
you brought
yeah,
back?
and we bring back tough crackers.
Tough crackers. You know, so the French gas bad.
Eddie said the French gas.
The French gas bad. You have to bust it. Cersei? You bought Cersei?
No.
Yeah, I brought back ginger tea bags.
Ginger.
No Cersei?
Ginger mint. Why didn't you tell me you wanted Cersei?
I didn't even tell you I wanted anything.
You're a good person. You don't do
I don't do that sort of thing.
Oh, you probably didn't.
So we're in my friend's backyard, guys. Come on, guys.
Yeah, you say a little Eddie excuse man. Sure.
I don't know why Julie love take pictures so. Oh my god. And she have to take 10 of the same pose every single time. Anyway, what else we have? We have mashed, you know, I'm using my English, mashed potatoes, and we have rum punch, guys. A Sunday, you know, and rum punch on the table. I won't tell you if I'll have any.
Yeah, this is nice.
So we're ready. It's only 3 of us for all of this food, so you know, so that's about turn up. And food still on our little fire here. And of course our Jamaican flag out and stunting. And of course, guys, we have bread, because in France you eat everything with bread. So we have our bread here. This is what the French bread looks like. So we're all set and ready to have some good food. Renique was criticizing my gray hair. She don't know the time hard. when peer when peer come in a month, then we get back black. This is our host, guys, in our PNP color.
Right? It fit her though.
She looking very nice.
Girl, nothing looks so
And
good
she
in
can
the
have
orange.
more food, you know. She
Nothing
can.
looks so good in the orange, you know.
Listen,
PNP color.
a PNP color. But we have
Right.
some in jail.
Right. Government
Do
budget.
not say.
Government budget.
Guys, you hear the people that accuse me of being laborite? My father named Eddie. Me named Eddie. So which party you think me could I support?
And onion fiaga.
Exactly. Which party you think me really could I support? One time I said to my father, me like PJ, you know. PJ is a black man also. Daddy said, you're going to like him, you know, not under my roof. But we have laborite.
It's Jamaican color, the one that's cool.
Well, flag as well with green. And the straw. So it's balance, man. The balance. What's Julie? Julie worked in the polling station, guys. But she not take my side.
I'm neutral.
She's
Extremely
neutral.
neutral.
She count the votes, so she get the money for count the vote. Anybody get the most money. Julie, any side get the most money win, no.
Anyway, if any votes missing, not my thing. Not my problem.
So Julie, how you reach so far in the food sharing process? Yes, when they are film and Julie plate full. So you know what, I'm gonna put on the camera and get to the food section. Irony! Me accuse Julie of sharing.
Ready, my plate
Running
ready.
plate full and pop over. When you can present the food, look better on your plate.
My plate ready. What kind of more better? What kind of more better? Like eat, make I eat it.
Julie's plate presentation. Yes, Julie looking better. She should put the two colors on this opposite side and the Julie is so extra.
I think for me, it's just.
This is what my final plate looks like, guys. So,
Come, Eddie.
alright, guys. Hold on. Why am I black dude?
1 minute, the tram is coming.
Yeah. So, oh, the tram is here.
A video?
Oh, it's a video.
Really?
On YouTube, channel me have, me not have Instagram.
YouTube, we don't have
On YouTube, me have, me not have Instagram. So I had a nice day today, eating some food, and now I'm on my way home. You can see it's night now. The skyline is quite beautiful, but the light is not showing it that well. But yeah, it was cool. I met up with some Jamaicans here, and as usual, here, and as usual, I'm on my bike. So as usual, I'm on my bicycle, and I'm heading down the streets. I really need to get some more devices to get better angles, but I am on my bicycle and I am heading home. Let me figure now. The last, guys. I am lost. Let me figure. How am I there? So I think hold on, let me look on the inside. I see on YouTube at the last. Not the people in town. I don't know when they come. Hold on now. Oh, I think I saw me Africa. So yeah, I don't come this side often, so that's why I'm ending up not lost, but not really sure where to go. And because I'm not using the GPS, I'm almost lost. So, I'm actually outside of Paris, but on like the borders of where Paris stops. So that's why you're gonna see like those skyscrapers, because the skyscrapers are not allowed in Paris. Skyscrapers are not allowed in Paris. There's only one skyscraper in Paris. All the others are outside of Paris, just on the outside. So yeah. Remember to give me a like, a share, a subscribe, and a comment as well. I know where I am now, heading down to Babylon. What a prick if one police officer for see me with my phone like this and yeah, vlog. But anyways, I'm about 20 minutes away from my house in the center of Paris. So I'm just getting back. And of course you can see me bagging on the front of the bicycle. Yeah. So, oh my God. Guys, look on the line at the pharmacy. Oh, that the pharmacy, no man, the whole Paris sick. Unless the whole Paris sick. That is the longest line I've ever seen for a pharmacy in my life. So, wow. So, anyway, we're at the main roundabout here in Place Italy. That's the name of the square. I'm actually gonna stop there because the place is sort of dangerous, yeah, man. I mean, no police out there somewhere. But I took a chance. This is a bumpy ride. Oh, son. So right there was an earthquake, guys. You can see the type of the street is cobbled, not smooth at all. Yee-haw! Boy. So this is a big hill, guys. Wow. Buildings are quite nice. Boy. Break one stoplight, listen. Look on the hill, on the hill steep. Come here, go down. If my man ever see this here. But it's a nice, cool, refreshing evening. And I'm almost home.